welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Julia. Hopefully you've seen my last video where I did a nice blue icy Christmas set for you guys. Unfortunately, Sky is not happy and she wants to add a bit of pizzazz onto the set. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how we drew Olaf from Frozen onto the design that she already had. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, just going to start by just wiping off any excess that she may have on her nail. And when I do cartoons, I'm not going to lie, I just go with the flow. So I don't have a set plan in my head, I just kind of see it and I just go along as I do, you know. But I'm just going to start off with a bit of Snow White. And because her nail is quite short today, we're just going to be doing the top half of his body and his face. So I'm just going to start off by doing a small half of his snowman body, and we'll be putting that at the bottom right here. And I'm just using a dotting tool, as you can see. Just making an oval shape. I'm just going to cure this for a couple of seconds just so I have a rough idea of where to go from. So now I'm just going to be taking a thin liner brush and I'm just going to be outlining the shape of his head. I'm just going to start from the bottom. Kind of bring out his cheeks a little bit. Do you think that head's going to be too big?
No.
It's got a big smile.
Yeah.
Now we're just going to flash cure this again. Just going to do a light second coat of that white over the body just so it's a bit more opaque. Now I'm just going to be taking the Nirvana gel polish. Nirvana? I don't know how to say half of these names, but they're beautiful colours. So I'm just taking a bit of that. And I'm going to be outlining the mouth, leaving a bit of space for the tooth. So the smile was quite big on Olaf, so we're just going to start from the top. About here, and I'm just going to make a little dent for the tooth. I'm just going to carry on that big smile. I think that should be okay. Now I'm just going to fill that in with the grey. And just before we cure this, I'm also going to do the carrot nose whilst we're here. So I'm just dipping it in to Spiced Pumpkin, which is part of our shimmer range. It's a nice dark orange and we're just going to go in with that. And we're going to make the little carrot nose. I'm just going to put that into cure. So now, as I'm too scared of not making the best circle, I'm going to do a dot of black for the eyes and then I'm going to do a dot of white on the inside so we have that outline already. So I'm going to go in with the black and we're just going to put that there. And one here. I'm going to put that into cure. So I'm actually going to extend his head just a little bit, just so we have a bit more space for the eyebrows, because, you know, don't want it to be too cramped up in there. So I'm just going to extend his head a little bit at the top. But as Sky and Drew just said, work in process, you know. So I'm just gonna put that a bit higher. Before she puts that insecure as well, I'm just gonna do my white dot for the middle of the eye. But I'm gonna do the smaller one just in case I go over it. Just gonna dip into the white. Okay, now she's going to put that insecure. Wow, it's starting to come to life. Now I'm going to go in with my number 0002 brush. And we're going to go in with Juniper. And we're going to do his little arms and the little sticks on his head. So I'm going to do his head first. And I feel like it's just a bit random. You can do this however you want. But I'm just gonna do a couple. And obviously they're meant to be sticks, so you know, it's not gonna be perfect.
What song does Olaf sing?
Is that not
No,
Elsa
that's
thing?
Elsa. What does he say? He sings so and it gets that's really gonna bug me. And he says the line about the being cozy next to the fire.
No idea, girl.
And he's a snowman, so it's kind of funny because like everyone's like, "Ah, he'll melt," but he didn't say that.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm getting
I'm
that.
just gonna do his arms. So we're just gonna give him 2, of course. Just one there. Can add some little branches. I don't know what to call it. Branches. Little pokey bits. And do the other side. There we go. And before she puts this back in, we're going to give him some pupils because he looks really scary right now without any. So just, again, using my dotting tool, I'm just going to do a tiny black dot in the middle. And we're going to put this into cure. Now I'm going to do his eyebrows. So again, just going in with the black gel. And we're just going to give him his little boxy eyebrows. Now we're going to outline what we have drawn out. So I'm just going to start from the top.
Do you think it's easy doing characters on yourself?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, because I do it on press-ons.
Yeah, and you can manipulate the nail.
Yeah, you can literally twist it like this way. Now I'm just going to add on his belly as well. Or belly button. That enough.
Are you gonna do anything to the nose?
Oh yeah, just outline it. Now we're just going to pop this into the lamp. Pop it in, girl. Now I'm just going to wipe that over with some gel residue and a lint-free wipe.
Oh, sorry.
Now to seal in this look, we're just going to go in with some top coat. So we're just going to put a nice thin layer over that. Now to finish off, we're just going to re-cuticle this nail. So I'm just putting some cherry scented oil on. And we are done. So guys, that was the final look. I really hope you enjoyed us pizzazzing that setup a little bit. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share to be notified of any future videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye everyone!